Welcome to Better Philly. I'm Renee Ellison. Shopping for auto insurance can be intimidating, confusing, and expensive, especially if you make the wrong choices. Yet, despite the importance and expense involved, there's very little information available to educate consumers on how to shop for auto insurance. Our guest today, Eric Poe, is from Cure Auto Insurance, and he's going to give you the inside scoop on what you need to know before you buy. I am so happy that you're here because this is such an important topic because so many people need insurance, right?
Yeah, 49 of the states require it.
Now, what makes Cure Auto Insurance unique?
Well, what makes Cure Auto Insurance unique is that we really care primarily about how well you drive when we determine your rates.
What do you mean?
Well, in the last 10 years, most national insurance companies have started adopting credit scores, whether or not you went to college, whether or not you work in a high-paying job to determine whether you're eligible for the lowest rates. And Cure Auto Insurance has sort of bucked that trend, and we've said we're not going to use any of those factors to determine how much you pay for car insurance.
That's a really great thing. Now, you've expanded into the Pennsylvania area. So what do you do if you're new to the area and shopping for auto insurance? What's the first step? What should they do?
Probably the first step I would do is utilize the internet. I'd probably go to the Department of Insurance website, look at the list of car insurance companies that are writing in the state. I'd probably go to Google and put in the state and car insurance and put that in there and see what names come up, and probably look at 4 or 5 of the insurance companies and get quotes from them.
And what do you do when you're comparing prices and comparing options and products and services?
Well, I think one of the most important things is really looking at whether or not you have a good credit score. Because if you don't have a great credit score, despite the fact that 92% of the insurance companies use credit score, you want to probably find the insurance companies like Cure that don't use your credit score, because it probably would save you money.
That's definitely an important thing to consider. Now, what if you're on vacation and you're considering the insurance that they offer? Is that a good deal?
No, actually, that's one of the biggest misconceptions all consumers have, and that is, so long as you have physical damages or insurance for your physical part of your car in your regular policy, when you go on vacation and your rental car gets rented, that's covered by your original policy. So it's definitely something that you can save a lot of money on when you go on vacation.
Now, Eric, there's 2 different types of insurance, right? There's collision and there's a liability.
Right. Well, there's collision and comp, which is your physical damages of your car, and then there's liability, and that collision and comp is what covers your car if you hit a tree or if there's a flood or somebody vandalizes your car.
And it's okay to drop one but not the other?
Yeah, the physical damages you can drop, and once your car gets older, you probably want to do that to save some money.
Thank you so much, Eric. These are really helpful tips. For more information, go to drivewell.com. Better Philly will be right back.